Hi friends, it's Suzanne here. Welcome to another Wild Card Wednesday video. I do apologize that this video is coming up on Thursday. When I was supposed to edit this video, it was supposed to be in the evening, and I was so exhausted from work that I actually fell asleep on the couch after dinner, and I didn't get my work done. So it does happen. Sometimes I get overtired and I just can't keep up with the late evenings anymore. I'm getting old, you know? Anyway. Today, I'm featuring the Sweet Strawberry Bundle, which you can get now, and also the Playful Alphabet dies. I'm going to create my own sentiment on this really sweet card. I happen to really enjoy the Sweet Strawberry Bundle. I think it's so sweet, it's cute. There's a lot that you can do with it. I have plenty of ideas. Anyway, I wanted to create my own sentiment for this card. So I'm starting off with Fresh Freesia, and that is my card base. That Fresh Freesia gingham that you see there is from the Pansy Petals Designer Series paper. And then what I'm doing here is I have 3 of the strawberry images from the stamp set. I've inked them up with daubers, and I'm going to stamp down all at once. So I have a piercing mat here, and that is just basic white cardstock. I'll tell you the colors in a minute, but what I ended up doing was I punched a piece of card, and then I was able to, with the strawberry punch, and I was able to sort of fit the images stamps in the little holes, and then I was able to pick that up with the block. So both of these, I was able to put precisely where you would need it so that you could punch it out. And maybe in another video I will share with you what I did, but it makes it so easy. So for my strawberry, I used Real Red, and the outline was Blackberry Bliss. For the strawberry top, it was Granny Apple Green and Shaded Spruce. And for the leaf, it was Garden Green and Evening Evergreen. So there you go. Now I've taken a glue dot and I've adhered the leaf to the strawberry. Now I'm adhering my Pansy Petals pattern paper to my Fresh Freesia card base. And then I'm going to start work on the Playful Alphabet dies. This is a foam adhesive sheet. So you can find that in the adhesive section of the annual catalog. It's like one big fat dimensional. And you can die cut things out of it. So it makes it a sticker, but a foam sticker. So I measured the middle part of the card, and I found out where I can put the middle letter of the word thanks, which was right there. And then I'm using the reason why I wanted the gingham, aside from that it looks kind of picnicky and summery, is because it has lines on it. So I was able to adhere my thickers. I want to say thickers because they're thick stickers. I wanted to adhere them directly on a line so that they're nice and straight. Oftentimes, if I can't do it 100% straight, I will go cattywampus because I've given up. I can never get things straight. So, and it really, simple cards like this, you probably want to have not a glaring mistake. So for the U, I flanked on either side of the sort of the area there, and then the middle, the O, is going to be the strawberry. So I find you can use this, especially when it's vowels. It works really well, O's or A's or whatever. And I'm going to place them right there. And then I'm going to sneak the leaf under there with just a little bit of dry adhesive. So what I did find is that my thank you was the letters were getting lost. So I ended up dangerously coloring my letters with my blends markers, and I did make a mistake. You can see right above the H there's a little dot. So I came in with fresh freesia colored pearls, and I was able to decorate my card there and fix my mistake, so you'll never know that there was a little mark. So if you wanted to color your letters, make sure you color them before you put them on your project, or you could be in trouble. I did put a little bit of Wink Estella on the letters after it was done, but that is my share for today. You can see all the supplies I used today listed in the video's See More section or in the supplies section of my blog. The links will take you to my online store. I want to invite you to take the online Sweet Strawberry class with me. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.